I've shown what you really meant to me. Maybe then you'll still be a part of me. I was wrong not to let you know this feeling that's hard for me to show. Since you've gone, I'm always been alone, feeling down and sorry for myself. I look at your picture and there I find I won't make it through another rain without your sunshine. I need you back. I need you here to guide me. Please come back. You're the only one who's ever loves me. I need you back. Let's start for all over again. Share the love we had for me today.